So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, gagawa ako ngayon ng carrot juice. So hindi ko na siya binabalatan, hinuhugasan ko lang naman siya. Next is meron kami ditong juicer. So pwede mo siyang lagyan ng apple, carrots, then kung ano pa yung pwedeng it may improve skin health and also it may boost heart health. And the last thing is may protect your liver. So diba guys, ang dami palang benefits pag umiinom ka ng carrot juice. Then need mo siyang i-filter. Ayan, salain mo para yung juice lang talaga ng carrots yung masasama niya ay matitira. Pwede mo na siyang inumin ng direct or kung gusto mo malamig, pwede naman. It's either of your choice. So guys, kung may advantage, may disadvantage din po yung pag-inom ng carrot juice. Ang sabi dito, carrot juice contain more beta-carotene than raw carrots do. Drinking too much carrot juice can lead to carotenemia, a temporary condition where skin takes a yellowish tint from too much beta-carotene on the blood. So tandaan, pwede tayong uminom ng carrots juice, pero wag lang yung sobra. Kasi yung sobra nakakasama din sa ating katawan.